That's freaking amazing. That's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that color. Oh my gosh.
We have an opportunity that we want to share with you, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I share with you about potentially getting your center console painted here in Key West.
So I was here at the yard, dark 30 this morning, because I needed to come and in the dark. And what I did was I took a fluorescent or an LED light and I angled it down the boat, and it showed all the flaws. Anywhere there's pencil mark, there's flaws that have to be fixed, because we are hopefully going to be painting this next week, hopefully early in the week. A friend of ours is coming down from Pettit Paint, and he is going to use some new paint that they came out with. It's an epoxy, and we're going to shoot this hull from here up to here, seafoam green, and we are going to see how it turns out. So I was a little blurry-eyed this morning waking up. It was too early for me, believe me. And then I did wake up even earlier than I had my alarm set for, because I woke up and I was thinking about work and what I needed to do, so I ended up just getting up. So I imagine there will be a nap in my future. Plus it's Friday. Just doing a quick fit on our steering wheel. Came in for the center console. Let's hope it fits. Beauty. Plenty of room between the throttle and the wheel. What do you think? Look good?
Yeah, I think so.
Decided I was going to put some grease on here before somebody tightens it down, because getting these steering wheels off, if you don't put some grease on there, is a real chore, because they get corroded on. There we go. Okay, we'll take that down later. Polar is coming along. Getting excited.
We're going to be fishing before we know it, I hope.
Hopefully.
We're going to be painting this upper line here a green. Knocked all the barnacles off of the bottom column so we save our gas. We're stripping all the gel coat down, cleaning everything up, getting it as new as possible. We're going to re-clear everything. We're going to put up all the internals, put the motor back on.
So Eric has spent the last week or so working on the boat, and he has been sanding away because we are getting ready for paint and wax. We're going to have it sparkling clean very soon.
All right. Ooh, she's going to look good.
I'm down here early in the morning at the historic seaport, and I'm just waiting for West Marine to open. So I'm going to take you guys around and show you some of the features on the dock first thing in the morning. How could you not, right? That's the ferry terminal here in Key West, and they are pulling out for the trip of the day. We'll be able to see them here in a second. They're right behind Sebago's Cubed here. They're headed off to the Dry Tortugas. It's the Yankee Freedom 3. We worked on the Yankee Freedom years ago. We installed a ton of LED lights for them. They were having a light issue and had recommendations. They were spending a lot of money every month just to have lights. So we converted them over, and it was the best thing we ever did for them anyways. Helped save them a ton of money. But here's the terminal. It's right down the street from West Marine, which I'm heading there to get my part.
Wouldn't be too bad of a morning for a boat ride, but I think the wind's supposed to pick up later. Hopefully we can get some more work done on our Polar boat and get that up and running here in a little while. Go have some fun on that. We'll see how much we use it. It's part of City Marina, Garrison Bight. This is a houseboat row. Yeah, a lot of liveaboards here. That'd be a cool old boat to fix up.
This little red one. Wonder what kind of boat that is.
Just found great timing. We need them, but we get 40% off, so that's a pretty good deal for my client. We're gonna go get these and get some fenders.
It's a good sized boat.
Yeah, but he doesn't have a lot of room in the.
Yeah, it's really tight.
Yeah.
We can always return them.
Yeah.
Isn't this for the client that told you just charge my card whenever you want?
Yes.
Just buy whatever you need?
One or two. We'll get two for both sides. Then we need some rope.
More rope?
Yeah.
Oh. You gotta turn.
Eric got primer on this weekend. It's got to get sanded with 220 first and then 320 finish. Got to make sure we don't burn through the primer anywhere. And then when Brian gets here, we wipe it up and it's all good.
Great progress.
Yeah, we're getting there. We get this paint done and then we can hang the engine and all that stuff. Can't wait. get this boat in the water.
I got Sam out here narrating with me.
Hey.
What do you guys think? We got some more voting to do. These are your top choices. You guys decided. Let us know. Leave me a comment below. What are we gonna name this beauty? Mel's back here taping.
Gotta make it look good.
He said he was a professional taper, so I hijacked him from his mechanic work today. Pretty windy here today, but we are going to do our best to get this boat painted, and it's awesome. Pettit Paint sent 2 of their representatives down here, the Key West, to help us finish up getting our boat ready to go for the water. We are so excited. To combat the wind, Matt had this great idea to get these tents, and we're gonna flip them over, and hopefully it will help guard from the wind whipping through our little space here. When you're painting a boat out in the open, whew, you can have problems. Got to get creative.
Ken, how do y'all see it? We want to know. I want to know what you're feeling. Some things you can't hide. I apologize for that. I'm sorry. You're probably going to have to do a whole lot of editing on
No,
this.
that's fine. Nothing wrong. It will get edited.
I don't like being edited.
We are getting ready to put the paint on the boat, and I just want to say thank you so much to my friend Brian, who works for Pettit Paint. We've been working with him for a couple of years, and he's made a huge difference in our business and educating us on bottom paint. It started about 8 years ago, and it's been an amazing journey with you, Brian. I appreciate you so much and all the effort that you take. Right on, buddy. Thanks so much. Let's get back to spraying this boat.
Video and video. Hey, can you paint my phone that color? Look at that color. I think it's coming out great.
One thing about when you're spraying a boat, you have to have that little snap in your wrist when you're painting a boat, because you go over and you go over and you go over it as it lays very smoothly on the boat. Leave us a thumbs up. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. Wanted to show you the process of how to paint a boat. These guys are pros. Let's get back to painting this boat. Mad scientist.
I told you on this side it'll look better.
Mix those chemicals. So did you guys say it sits about 15 minutes after you do all your mixing?
Yeah.
All right.
About 15 minutes.
I don't think it's glossy enough. You could come back and wet sand and pulp the whole thing, even twice as glossy. It's getting it to lay down, which you got no contaminant.
And then it's also nice that if you hit something, you can get the little spray cans and touch up your paint.
Sure can.
Which that is amazing that Pettit carries that opportunity for somebody to make it easy for a repair.
Hey guys, this is Carter with Pettit Paints. We're introducing here our Propoxy Premium High Gloss Acrylic Urethane. It's a very forgiving paint. It's got an extremely high gloss. This comes as a package, 1 SKU for each color. Comes with your base, your activator, and your reducer. So one kit can paint around a 25-foot boat. Comes in 12 different colors. It's spray use only, and you can find it at your local marine store distributor. If you need any more questions on it, you can look up pettitpaint.com. We can answer anything you might have on it.
I'm showing you us painting the boat with Pettit's products, but I also want to remind you that Pettit also has lots of bottom paint. I've been using their paint for about 8 years, which is amazing. And the nice thing about it is that they offer a 2-year warranty for some of their different bottom paints that they offer. And those are the ones that I always choose to use on our boats, because when in doubt, make sure that you're covered in case of issues with your bottoms.
Because you're trying to get this corner here, it's going this way and it's laying on the transom.
Yeah, those corners are real hard.
Looks pretty bright, doesn't it? He had to have his specific strainer. Okay, so we're getting ready for our final coat of paint. So I was telling the guys today that if they got any paint on them, tub of towels does wonders on getting it off of your skin and other objects too. And I always use it to take off bottom paint too when I put on paint, and if I get any on me, tub of towels does wonders. Still wet, but look at the sun on it. Looks beautiful. Sam just painted his glass.
Okay, where is it? Everybody asks about those glasses. Where's your glasses? Tell them that I left her. She kept glasses because they were hers.
Whoa.
Stylish.
They are cool.
Styling, profiling.
Yeah, they're cool.
We have an opportunity that we want to share with you. Are you a Key West local and you own a center console or you're a charter boat captain, maybe you want to be our next Pettit Propoxy Premier project boat, email me at mobilemarinkw@gmail.com and let me know that you're interested, and Pettit will be following up with you. We can paint your boat just like we did here. If you know somebody that might be interested in getting their boat painted, be sure to share our video. It's beautiful, right? Pettit will come and paint it for you. Let us know.